What's up guys, it's Josh back with another video, and today I want to show you guys an article that's super interesting. It's dealing with a massive campaign that's currently going on right now using YouTube accounts that have been hacked to push malware that steals passwords. So let's hop right over to the video. So this article, I'll have it linked down in the description of the video, but it was released yesterday, and basically what it says in the title is a massive campaign uses YouTube to push password stealing malware. So let's scroll down a little bit and read a little bit about it. But it says widespread malware campaigns are creating YouTube videos to distribute password stealing Trojans to unsuspecting viewers. And that's one of the reasons I wanted to do this video. I just wanted to show you guys that something like this is going on and you should protect yourself, and don't just click on links just because it's in a YouTube video. Like, you know how most YouTubers will say, hey, check down for the links in the description of the video, where it looks like a lot of hackers are actually creating pages to get people to download software onto their systems to steal passwords and all kind of information that they want to get from your system. But it says right here, password stealing Trojans or malware that quietly runs on computers while stealing password screenshots of active windows, cookies, credit cards stored in the browser, FTP credentials, and arbitrary files decided by the threat actors. When installed, the malware will communicate with a command and control server where it waits for commands to execute by the attacker, which could entail the running of additional malware. So one thing about it, once they get this software on your system, it's almost like a reverse shell or a rat or something like that, that allows the attacker to run other malware on your system once they get into it. So let's scroll down a little bit more. I think it had a little bit more information, but it says malicious YouTube videos gone wild. Threat actors have long used YouTube videos as a way to distribute malware through embedded links in video descriptions. However, this week has Cluster 25 security researcher Frost told Bleeping Computers that there has been a significant uptick in malware campaigns on YouTube pushing various password stealing Trojans. And says Frost told Bleeping Computer that it's likely two clusters of malicious activities being conducted simultaneously. One pushing a Redline malware and the other pushing Raccoon Stealer. The researcher said that thousands of videos and channels had been made as part of this massive malware campaign, with 100 new videos and 81 channels created in just 20 minutes. So it's crazy how they're using software to actually create these accounts and create these channels and then put up the videos. But it says Frost explains that the threat actors use the Google accounts they steal to launch new YouTube channels to spread malware, creating a never-ending and ever-growing cycle. And that's one thing I wanted to point out. My man Professor Black Ops dropped a video basically saying that they were going after YouTube accounts that have subscribers and all that stuff, because they can basically take that account or take that channel and rebrand it to whatever they want once they have full access of it and upload the videos they want. And if this channel is active, that has, you know, a significant amount of subscribers on the channel, then most of the audience trusts this content creator. And so if they put up a video saying, hey, check out this new software, most people will click on it, especially if they're regular viewers of the channel. But then right here it says the threat actors have thousands of new channels available because they infect new clients every day. As part of these attacks, they steal victims' Google credentials, which are then used to create new YouTube videos to distribute the malware. It says Frost told Bleeping Computer the actors start with a threat actor creating numerous YouTube channels filled with videos about software cracks, licensing, how-to guides, cryptocurrency, mining, game cheats, VPN software, and pretty much any other popular category. And just show you guys, this is an example of one of the actual channels. So Don11x2. Make sure if you go here, don't click on any of the links in the videos, but I just wanted to show you guys the actual channel or one of the channels, and this channel may be taken down by now. But as you can see, you know, a lot of people start talking about Bitcoin and putting up videos about Bitcoin because it's kind of a trending topic, especially now that Bitcoin is actually going up. They'll put that information in a video and put it out there and try to get people to actually click and install that software. So make sure you watch what channels you go to and make sure they don't point you to some weird software to download. But then it says these videos contain content that explains how to perform a task using a specific program or utility. Additionally, the YouTube video description includes an alleged link to the associated tool used to distribute the malware. So just be careful. And then they're actually showing it right there, these bit.ly links. Not saying, you know, all bit.ly links are bad, but this is one of the examples of one of the links. You really don't know where this link is going. That's why whenever I decide to click on a link, which I don't click on links, I'll verify where this link is actually going before I actually go to it, and that's if I even go to it. But I rarely click on links, especially anymore, because I understand what can be done by clicking on a link like this. And I have my whole family trained to not click on links, and I really just trained, you know, not to click on anything that looks suspicious. You know what I'm saying? And it says if a video contains a bit.ly link, it will lead to another file sharing site hosting the Redline password stealing malware infection. However, if it includes an unshortened domain, it will redirect to a page on the taplink.cc domain to push Raccoon Stealer as shown below. So they have examples showing you what it looks like, you know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you don't click on and download and install any of this crap, because you can really mess up your system and people could steal your information. It says credit cards, cryptocurrency wallets, credit cards, passwords, and other data, and upload it back to the attacker straight from your computer. And I should have read that sentence from the beginning, but it says once a user becomes infected, the malware will proceed to scan all installed browsers and the computers and the computer for crypto wallets and all that other information. But then it says Google told Bleeping Computer that they are aware of the campaign and are taking action to disrupt this activity. And this is a statement from Google right here. It says we are aware of this campaign and are currently taking action to block activities by these threats actors and flagging all links to safe browsing. As always, we continuously improve our detection methods and investing in new tools and features that automatically identify and stop threats like this one. It is also important that users remain aware of this type of threat and take appropriate actions to further protect themselves. And that's directly from Google. So just be careful when you're browsing YouTube, you know what I'm saying, browsing the web in general. Just be very careful and don't click on random links and install some sketchy looking software onto your system, because you could end up with all your information stolen and you'll have like a very bad day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you can, just go down and leave your thoughts down in the comments below, because you guys know I like interacting with you guys. I try to respond to every single comment, even if it's a couple hours later. I'll definitely get back to you, because a lot of times I'm working on other projects and not looking back at my YouTube channel as often as I should. But I hope you guys have a good weekend and keep it techy.